Welcome to a video walk around from Kelowna Toyota. We are located at 1624 Carey Road in Kelowna, BC, Canada, right here in the heart of the Okanagan. Today we're going to take a look at this 2015 Nissan Rogue SL. Power for this Rogue comes from a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder engine mounted to an automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. It is riding on 18-inch alloy wheels, and from the side looking up we've got color-matched roof rails and chrome door handles, as well as color-matched mirrors with integrated turn signals. We also have that nice deep tint privacy glass for your passengers and your cargo. Moving around to the front, we're going to find fog lights and the blacked out chrome trimmed grille. Inside we have a whole ton of great features too, so let's hop right in and take a look at what the interior has to offer. So jumping inside, if we check out the left door panel here, we're going to find our power windows, locks, and mirrors. And then taking a look down here, we've got our traction control, sports mode, power liftgate, all-wheel drive lock, and then our safety features. Taking a look on the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we're going to find some of our audio controls here, as well as different info you can access up on the screen. And over here is our cruise control and our hands-free Bluetooth calling. So if we check the screen up here, we can scroll through and find some different information about our vehicle. And with our driving aids right here, we're going to find our forward collision alert, our lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitor. Moving over to the center console, we have a full navigation system as well as an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, Sirius satellite radio, and Bluetooth. And then moving down a bit more, we're going to find our dual zone electronic climate control. Taking a look up, we've got our panoramic roof, and then we have this beautiful like new black leather interior. So let's hop out and take a look at what's going on around back. Moving around to the back, we've got our rear mounted antenna and color matched rear spoiler, and we do have the rear wiper blade, which is awesome in our BC weather. Back here you're also going to find the Nissan Rogue and SL all-wheel drive badging. To get into your liftgate, we do have the power liftgate, so you just hold down on the liftgate button on your key fob and it will open right up for you. Taking a look inside, we've got plenty of cargo room, and those seats do fold down 60/40, so you do have options of expanding your cargo space while still carrying passengers. Thank you very much for taking the time to check out this 2015 Nissan Rogue SL with me. If you'd like to see it for yourself, come and visit us at 1624 Carey Road. If you have some questions before making the trip, you can give us a call Monday to Saturday, or find us online anytime at KelownaToyota.com to get all the information on this SUV and to browse the rest of our new and used inventory. I hope everyone's doing fantastic. Please drive safe, and we look forward to seeing you soon.